puppy. Good morning, guys. Right now we are getting ready for class. Thank you so much for coming along with me for today's video of my productive morning routine. I have class at 8, so let's just finish getting ready for the day. It's like my favorite part of washing my face. I think this is so cute. I probably wouldn't wash my face if I didn't have this headband. Chill with my skincare, but the one thing that's stuck with me is how in 5th grade my elementary school teacher told all of us that you should always start washing your face with hot water to open your pores and finish it off with cold water to close them. And I'm no expert on skincare, but it made sense to me. Still in PJs, it is now my favorite time because we're gonna go make coffee. It's literally like my 3rd step in my morning routine. Brush teeth, wash face, coffee. Good morning, Mom.
Morning.
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hi, vlog.
Time to make some coffee. I ended up talking to my mom for a little bit too long. So now I'm running a little late for class, but luckily it's just right upstairs. So let's get on to it. This is my class setup. It usually looks nicer and I have a vanity and stuff, but I've been doing a lot of sewing projects and filming it. So I like moved my desk and it's honestly been more of a workspace. So it hasn't been that cute, but let's get ready for class. This is like my favorite part of the morning. Except it's kind of cold out today, so it's not that pretty.
And I think that I've broken my tailbone. Something that you should not do.
Finished my class for today. This was actually my last class because tomorrow we're doing presentations that we just like send in, and then the day after that is our final exam, which we don't zoom in for. So it was my last lecture. I was taking summer course, and at Pepperdine they're very like condensed, so they have 3 different summer sessions. They're all a month long, so I've only been doing this class for a month. It's kind of like messing with my head and like the timeline of the summer, because I'm like, I can't believe I took a whole 4-credit class in actually less than a month. But I do have a lot of schoolwork that I need to get done since it's technically like our finals week. We've been having a lot of assignments, and luckily we get 3-day weekends. Classes are Monday through Thursday, so I try to get a lot done on the weekends, but there's a little more I still need to do. So I have 2 assignments due today. I need to send in a video. I need to write a little article review paper. I can't even call it a paper, it's like 2 pages long. I'm gonna get ready for the day. Yeah, it's not really doing much, but it helps me like get situated and feel productive. I usually like stay in my pajamas as long as I can, but I like to put makeup on, so I'm gonna go put some on right now and then we'll get to doing work. I just like to separate the work I have to do with other things. I don't know, it feels better for me, I guess. I actually don't know why all my makeup stuff is over here. Oh, it used to be on my desk, but then my desk is like busy with sewing stuff. That's why. Once again with the desk situation, that is why I am a floor makeup girly, which I actually don't mind. I kind of like sitting on the floor for anything and everything that I'm doing. Along with the schoolwork for today, I was writing my to-do list already a little bit. The main thing I really need to do is figure out a bunch of apartment stuff, which is kind of like stressful. I am actually at the end of, oh my gosh, it's so soon. At the end of this week, I'm going down to California because I want to furnish my apartment before I have to get there for school, or else I think I'll just be like really stressed. We just like finished signing our lease and stuff. I need to figure out all the like utilities and the electricity and gas bills and all of that. So I think I'm just gonna be making a lot of calls today, which is really dreadful. It's probably like least favorite thing to do. I hate calling, like it stresses me out. Lunch with my brother later today, and we're gonna go to this sushi restaurant that I like because there's no servers. It's like robots. Can you tell I have people anxiety? Why am I saying people anxiety? I have social anxiety. I also have a lot of stuff I want to film and edit today. I don't know why, maybe it's in my head, but sometimes I feel weird filming me filming things, making a vlog about me making YouTube videos, you know, but I don't know, that's the life. So also, if I sound sick, I'm not. I just sat at a park yesterday, and so my allergies have been killing me. I literally thought I didn't have allergies this year, and then like here they are now, so that's great. Makeup is all done. Hopefully I look a little bit more awake now. Let's get to writing that paper. I really don't want to do it, but I'll tell myself it'll be okay once I start. Let's get some good music on. This will get me in the mood to actually write. What's the vibe? I think so. Let's get started. We are whipping out the glasses to prove to myself that it's time to grind and get this paper done. Okay. I finished my paper. Woo! I feel accomplished, and now it's time to treat myself with some sushi. Turning stuff in will forever be so satisfying and like relieving, but at the same time, why does it still make me nervous? Honestly though, I don't even mind doing the schoolwork stuff right now because what I'm really dreading is calling my apartment and like the electric company, because I just don't want to do that. Grown-up things we gotta do. This ain't a productive vlog if I'm not being productive. Am I right, guys? I feel so accomplished. When I use my editing skills for my class presentations, the fact that I literally have to upload this to YouTube is kind of like, does that mean it's gonna be linked to my channel? I don't want my professor to see that. Anyways, I know I'm so extra for editing it, but I think I'm so used to having the capability of making myself more concise and succinct by like cropping out all the ums and uhs. Your girl talked way too much for this presentation, so I like physically had to crop it down. Even though I know I literally listen to myself talk all day when I edit and stuff, listening to it for like a presentation when they record you is just awful. At least like this is the most satisfying thing ever. This is the thing that I'm uploading right now, but everything else is submitted and done. Almost done with the class. I love this feeling. Ignore the fact that I have 2 million tabs open. I'm gonna finish uploading this, and then I'm getting lunch with my brother pretty soon. This is a top that I just picked up from a garage sale earlier this week. Can't really tell if I like it. I'm a liar. Not this week. It was the past weekend. I also got this silly little purchase. It's like a watch ring, and I've been wanting one for a while. I think they're really cool. I didn't necessarily love that it's like bedazzled. Maybe it's a little too much. Plus it's like a huge chunky ring, and I usually wear very dainty stuff, but I just thought it was too fun to pass up, and it was only $5 because I bargained. My dad made me. Anyways, not wearing this today though. Too bling bling. What are we thinking? What's the bagu for the day? Is this weird because it's like 2 different shades of pink? Maybe it's bad, but I want to wear this one. Also, thank you guys so much. I got 2 more orders on Poshmark. I'm just going to package those really quick. Alright guys, so I'm about to be off. I'm gonna go grab lunch with my brother, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. Once again, this top, I got it from a garage sale recently. My jeans are from Princess Polly, and my shoes are these Birkenstock sandals. They're really cute, but they give me like awful blisters, so I can't be walking that far when I wear them. And then of course, this bag is Bagoo. That's the outfit, and I'll see you guys at lunch. Hi friends, so I just dropped my brother off. I think I'm gonna go hit a park on the way home. I'll catch you guys there. Okay, pit stop. I saw a little farmer's market on the side of the road, and I think I'm gonna do a spontaneous little walk through and see if they have any fun little things. So let's go check it out. So I made it to the park and it is actually so gorgeous out. I'm just gonna do a quick little quiet time, journal a little bit, and then I also brought the current book that I'm reading. I really want to finish it today. I'm not gonna lie, it got so hot. So now I'm just sitting in the grass and I'm probably gonna get allergies that are gonna remind me of this tomorrow, but it is okay. Notice I changed the outros to my videos a couple weeks ago. Decided to start putting Bible verses at the end of my videos. I feel like my faith is something that I have inserted into my channel here and there, but I've never been intentional as I would have liked. So I feel like, especially in little vlogs and stuff like that, is something that I just want to share what's on my heart a little bit more. Something that's been helping me is just using the Bible app, because a lot of times I'd have like a different quiet time book, and if I didn't have it with me, I would feel like I wasn't able to do it. But since my phone is always with me and I just have the app on my phone and they make it super easy, just been helping a lot, so I can do it almost wherever I am. Today's verse was Psalm 27:14. It says, "Wait for the Lord, be strong and let your heart take courage. Wait for the Lord." Kind of just talked about something that really hit home. It's just about how day and age, we're so rushed to do everything. We're not super patient people. Like, we're so used to everything coming so instantly to us, like instant gratification. Ordering things online and they arrive the next day, or take out food, and even with the internet, everything's like available to us, the click of a button. Waiting can be really hard, and I don't know if I'd call myself the most patient person. There's such a thing as waiting joyfully, still growing closer to God during those periods of waiting, and not resenting God for not giving you an instant answer, because that's never even promised to us in the first place. So now I'm just sitting here in a field in my white jeans. I know, hopefully they don't get grass stained. I am going to dig into my book a little bit. You couldn't see it earlier. I'm reading Happy Place by Emily Henry. I really love this author. And also, isn't the book cover just so cute? The fact that I have so many blankets in my car and I didn't bring one, I like just really did not think I would be on the grass right now. just finished the book. I'm kind of having mixed feelings about it. I am like semi-content with the ending. I still love Emily Henry and I like a lot of her books and her writing style. I would say it's not quite as realistic as I would have liked or thought it was going to be, and I will say that I do like some of her other books that I've read a bit more. Overall, I think I could give this like a 7.5 out of 10. If you've read this, let me know what you think. I would love to hear, and also give me other book recs because I definitely want to get back into reading. Anyways guys, I've just been chilling at the park. Honestly, it's been so nice. I am just going to head on home now. It's like 4 p.m. I don't know where the day's gone, but since it stays bright for so long, it could literally still be noon to me and I probably couldn't tell. Hey friends, I just got home and honestly I'm not doing very much for the rest of the day. Might do a little more schoolwork. I've been watching XO Kitty with my mom and we actually like kind of love it, so we will get a couple episodes in, but I just wanted to end off the video here and thank you guys so much for joining me today for a little productive morning routine slash day in my life with summer school and I don't know, being at home during the summer and working from home. It was so much more fun because we got to hang out together. Thank you so much for joining and for watching. Make sure to comment and say hi below because I'd love to chat with you. I hope you guys are having an amazing summer and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.